In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw on GatesFX. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your GatesFX on your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to sign into your account. Now once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand menu or go over to this hamburger icon over here. Now from here you'll be able to see the traders menu. From here you'll simply need to go down to funds and then click on this little icon so the withdrawal funds will pop up. Once from here, you'll simply need to click withdraw funds, and from here you'll be able to select withdraw from, and then you can choose your specific account that you want to withdraw from, and then to. So you can choose the crypto down here, and then from here you can see that personally I have not any payment details saved, so I'll need to upload your payment details. And to do that, you simply need to click upload payment details, and from here you can just check here I want to upload the tool B, and then here you'll need to select the wallet address that you want to withdraw the funds over to, and of course what type of currency. So GatesFX offers BTC, ETH, BTC, or USD, USDT, and USD Turk 20 right there. From here, you'll simply need to click on the specific one and click submit. And from here, you should go back to this page right here where you can do it with crypto and choose your wallet. From here, you'll be able to see the transfer details. And once you click continue from that, you'll need to go over to confirmation. Now from here, once you get over to the confirmation, you'll need to send in this withdrawal request, and it will take approximately a couple bank days to get your funds over to your crypto wallet. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!